Hello my dear friends, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, we have learned index in the form of rational number, and based on this there is a practice set 3.2 which we are going to solve in this video. In this video we are going to solve practice set 3.2 of lesson third, indices and cube root of Maharashtra State Board. Let's start. Question 1. Complete the following table. Serial number, power of root of power. What is given? One solved example is given. In first column there is number. In second column, power of root. Power always comes in the numerator, in the index, and root comes in the denominator. Root of power, in this case index is in the form of rational number, means in the form of fraction. Root of power, root will come as denominator, power will come as numerator. Let us see. First example, 225 raised to 3 upon 2. We have to write power of root. In this, which is the power? Numerator 3. Third power, which is normally denoted as cube. So cube of root. What is the root? Root is 2, and 2 is normally denoted as square. So square root. Cube of square root of. What is the base? Base is 225. Got it? Root of power. Among this, what is the root? The number which is in the denominator, that is 2. So 2 is the root, but we never write as second root or 2 root, we write it as square root. So square root of power. What is the power? Comes in the numerator 3, and 3 is denoted as cube. So square root of cube of 225. Finish. So let's solve remaining. 45 raised to 4 upon 5. We have to write power of root. So first write power. Among these two, which is the power? The number which comes in the numerator, that is 4. Means fourth power, right? So fourth power of root. Root is the denominator, fifth, right? Fifth root of. What is the base? The number which index is this? The number is 45. Clear? Next is root of power. Root. Among these two, which is root? The number which comes in the denominator, that is 5. So 5 is the root. We will write it as fifth root. Fifth root of. Root of power. What is the power? 4. Fourth power. What is the power? Power is number comes in the numerator, that is 4. Fourth power of. What is the number? Number is 45. Clear, friends? Similarly here, power of root. Power is 6, comes in the numerator. So sixth power of root. Which number is coming in the denominator? 7. So seventh root of. Which numbers? Sixth power and seventh root is given? 81. Means 81 is the best of 81. Clear? Root of power. Root comes in the denominator 7. Seventh root. Seventh root of power comes in the numerator 6. Sixth power of. Which number's index is this? The number is 81, which is base. 81. Clear, friends? Now 100 raised to 4 upon 10. 4 is in the numerator, that is power. 10 is in the denominator, that is root. So fourth power, 10th root. We have to write power of root. So fourth power of 10th root of 100. Finish. Next. 10 is denominator, so that will be root. 10th root of fourth power. 10th root of fourth power of base is 100. Clear? Last example, 21 raised to 3 upon 7. Power of root. Among this, which is power 3? Third power. Can we write it as third power? No, we have to write it as cube. So, cube of power of root. What is the root? 7. What is the denominator? 7. 7th root of number is 21. Clear? Root of power. Root denominator 7. 7th root of. What is the power? Number in the numerator? 3. Third power. Can we write it as third power? No. We have to write it as cube. Cube of, what is the base? 21. Finished. Now let us see second question. Second question is write following numbers in the form of rational indices. Number is given in the word, we have to write it in the form of index. And index is in the form of rational number, means m upon n in the form of fraction. Square root of fifth power of 121. So this 121 is base. What is the root? Root is square, means root is 2. Okay, and where does root come? In the rational index, in the numerator or in the denominator? Root comes in the denominator. So 2 will come in the denominator and fifth power. Power comes in the numerator. So 5 will come in the numerator. So 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Square root of fifth power of 121 means 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Clear? Next. Cube of fourth root of 324. Cube of fourth root of fourth root. So root is 4. Cube of means power is 3. Cube, we denote whenever index is 3, we denote it as cube. So power is 3 and root is 4. Means index will be 3 upon 4. Power comes in numerator and root comes in the denominator. So index is 3 upon 4. And what is the base? 324. So we can write it as 324 raised to 3 upon 4. Clear, friends? Fifth root of square of 264. Once again, root is fifth. Means 5 will come in the denominator of. Square of. Power is square. Square means 2. So 2 will come in the numerator. So index is 2 upon 5 and base is 264. 264 raised to 2 upon 5. Last one is cube root of 3. Listen carefully. Cube root of 3. Cube of means cube is the power. So 3 will come in the numerator. Cube root of. Cube root means 3 is the denominator. Right? So index is 3 upon 3 of 3. Listen once again. Cube root of 3. In this example, this 3 is the base. So write 3 as it is in the base. Now we have to decide its index. So we have to decide its numerator and denominator. Whenever index is in the rational form, power comes in numerator. Power, numerator denotes power and denominator denotes root. So cube is the power. So numerator is 3. Cube root, which root is? Cube root means third root. So denominator also 3. Finish. Cube root of base is 3. 3 raised to 3 upon 3. Done.